Organic pest control. Nature's way to a healthier garden. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a fascinating topic that combines the beauty of nature with the practicality of gardening. Organic pest control. For all our friends learning English, this is a perfect chance to explore not just new vocabulary, but also a green way to protect plants. So, let's get started on this journey to understanding how we can keep our gardens healthy and thriving, naturally. The word, organic, refers to methods and materials that are natural or derived from living things, as opposed to synthetic chemicals. When we talk about organic gardening or farming, we mean using practices that are safe for the environment, humans, and animals. This includes using compost, natural predators, and plants that repel pests, rather than chemical pesticides. Before diving deeper, let's clarify what pests are. In the context of gardening and farming, pests are unwanted creatures that attack plants, such as insects, rodents, and birds. They can damage or destroy crops, affecting both the yield and quality of the produce. Understanding the types of pests is crucial for effective control. Organic pest control is based on prevention, monitoring, and control. Prevention involves creating a garden that is naturally resistant to pests. This can include selecting disease-resistant plant varieties, rotating crops, and encouraging biodiversity. Monitoring means keeping an eye on your plants to catch any pest problems early. And control involves using organic methods to manage pests, such as introducing beneficial insects that eat harmful pests, or applying natural substances like neem oil or soap sprays. Opting for organic pest control has several benefits. It protects the environment by reducing pollution, preserves beneficial organisms that help control pests naturally, and ensures safer food by avoiding toxic residues on produce. Moreover, it can lead to more sustainable gardening practices, promoting a healthier ecosystem in your garden. Thank you for joining us today to learn about organic pest control. We hope this video has shed some light on how you can protect your garden in a natural and safe way, while also enriching your English vocabulary. Remember, a healthy garden contributes to a healthier environment. Until next time, happy gardening and happy learning.